going to document your work? How you are going to document your work? End of the day, whatever you are doing here, that is reusable. The moment I say it is reusable, we need to go and we have to prepare some help document. Here we have the help document that is technically known as Docstring. That is technically known as Docstring. It starts next line of the DEF as a best practice. Wherever you want, you can keep it, but as a best practice, you have to keep after the DEF. It starts and ends with 3 times double quotes or 3 times single quotes. It is going to start. For example, you can notice define function square. Then we have this all is called as docstring. We enclose this docstring between 3 times double quotes or 3 times single quotes. We can keep it. Then we can write finally return statement. We can write it. Let us try to put hands on this one. By this time, we come across some of the system defined functions, right? By this time, we come across some of the system defined functions. Okay, let us go and try to understand the system defined functions, how the doc strings are maintained. How the doc strings are maintained. Can you name it one of the system defined function what we learned? Let's say we learned about range. In the range, by seeing the range function, I'm able to understand what is the syntax of this one, how many arguments I have to pass it, what is exclusive, what is inclusive. One example also they give a range of 4 means it is going to give you 0, 1, 2, 3, something like that. Yes or no? This is whatever information we are seeing that is called as docstring. And this docstring is available today, it may be in function. Tomorrow, if I explain the class, it is available even in the class also. In the module also, you can write it. Wherever you want this docstring, you can write it. Now, for example, if I define here a function, let us go and try to define it. Define a function called as power. I am passing here 2 arguments. One is known as argument 1, second is known as argument 2. Then we are writing here return. Then pass here argument 1 power argument 2. We are trying to pass it. If I go and try to ask here function power question mark, I am not getting any docstring. It's saying as docstring is equal to what? No docstring is available. Why? Because in my custom function, did I kept any docstring here? No. So if I want it, then what I need to do it? Let us go and try to recreate it. I am creating with some comment lines here. 3 times you have to use double quotes, or 3 times you have to use single quotes, you have to use it. Suppose I am writing here, it is a help document. Okay, this function takes 2 arguments as input, and calculates power. Whatever information we are writing here, it's okay. System will not validate inside that our information is correct or wrong. It won't validate it. Simply whatever you write it is going to take it. Suppose 2 by 0 I am writing, still it is going to display 2 by 0 only. It won't say 2 by 0 is a wrong syntax, like that it won't say. Suppose if I am trying to execute this one, then if I am trying to call here function power single question mark, now you can see we are seeing the docstring, whatever you return as it is coming. So inside this triple quotes, whatever information available, system will not validate it. It is as it is going to display for you. As it is going to display for you. Okay, cool. We understand that point. Now, suppose I want to go for, let us say, the same thing I am writing in single quotes, I am putting it. Still it is going to work similar way or not? Same thing, I am going here, single quotes 3 times, I am putting it. Single quotes, how many times? 3 times I am putting it. Then still we are able to see same kind of behavior, we are able to see it. Function, power, question mark, I am able to see same kind of thing, right? What is the difference between single question mark and double question mark? We are writing single question mark and double question marks, we can write it, right? What is the difference? Suppose in our above case, function underscore power, double question mark I am writing. Then what we got here? What we got here? Single question mark means what we got, double question mark means what we got. Single question mark is giving you docstring, it is giving. Double question mark, it is giving you the source. Source means including your function name, including your argument, including your return statement, everything. That means actual code. That means actual code it is trying to provide. If I provide here double question mark. So single question mark is giving only docstring, double question mark is giving including docstring, original statements whatever available, the function name, the return statement, everything it is providing for you. Is it clear the difference between single question mark and double question mark? Yes. So let us go and try to see in the next one. In the next one, how to return multiple values from the function. Please have a look on this one first.